In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Replit AI agent to build a micro SaaS vibe coding tutorial. First, open Replit and choose the app where you want to add your micro SaaS features. Pick a project that already runs cleanly so the agent has a stable base to work from. Once your workspace is open, move your attention to the agent panel and place your cursor in the agent chat. This opens the conversational interface where you'll guide the build. Next, select Build. This tells the agent you want it to actively create or modify code rather than just answer questions. From there, choose Make, Test, Iterate. This workflow sets the expectation that the agent will propose changes, try them, and refine if needed, which is perfect for shipping a small, focused SaaS feature quickly. Then choose Ask Questions. Plan your work. This step prompts the agent to gather requirements first, so it can form a plan before touching code, saving you time and rework. Now return to the agent chat and start typing your instructions. Describe your micro SaaS clearly. The user problem it solves, the minimal features you need, and any constraints like framework or language. Keep your prompt specific and avoid sharing sensitive data such as keys, passwords, or private user info. Clear goals help the agent shape a reliable plan. Use the highlight option to give the agent precise context. Highlight the files or code regions related to your feature so it knows where to read and work. When the agent has a question for you, read its message carefully and answer in plain language. Questions might cover data models, routes, UI behavior, or success criteria. Type your response directly in the chat, and if the agent requests more context, click Highlight again to mark additional files or sections. This back and forth helps the agent propose accurate code changes and avoids accidental edits in unrelated areas. When your message is ready, click Send to Agent. The agent will act on your instructions, update the code, and often run checks. Keep your scope small and iterate. Ask for one feature or fix at a time, then review the changes and provide feedback. If something isn't right, refine your instructions and send again. Finally, when everything looks good and the agent's tests pass, click Publish. This makes your micro SaaS updates available to others. Take a quick final review in your app to confirm the feature works as intended, and you're done. That's how you use Replit AI agent to plan, build, and ship a micro SaaS efficiently.